It's time for bed, isn't it, buddy? Yeah. Night, night. Hi, honey. I'm just about to head out, okay? I gotta head out, little moo. Yeah, I'm going to an apple orchard. Yeah, a nice company event, okay? We'll get you some fresh food and water before I go, alright? You stay inside and be a good little kitty, okay? Yeah, be a good kitty. Did you go on any adventures? Cinnabon left around 6 in the morning. Yeah, now he's back. Just a couple hours later. Yeah. Or 3 or 4, I don't even know. Let's get some more food and water. Here we have a nice tuna entree for Cinnabon. Here you go, mister. Oh, there we go. You enjoy that, my friend. And I will be back later. Yeah. All right, young man. I'll be back in a little bit, okay? I'll be back. I left the basement light on for you. If you want to play down there, okay? Yeah. I'm sure you'll be quite a good kitty. Yeah. Are you going to come visit me before I go? Okay, well, I got to get going, buddy. Yeah. I'll come over and visit you. Yeah, what a good kitty. What a good kitty. Hey, let's do just a couple treats before I go, okay? Just a couple, okay? Just do a couple. Yeah. Maybe a triple. Come here, buddy. Come here. Yeah, we got some treats for you. Oh, and we have another. Oh, and look, another one. And there's one more. I just remembered. One more. Okay? This one. Just kidding. Oh, no, you're too young for that. Okay, buddy. You'll be a good kitty now, okay? Yeah. I'm sure he'll be just a good boy. Yeah. No, I'm not going to let you outside now. It's cold out there, buddy. It's cold out there. You stay nice and toasty inside, okay? You got your wet food, yeah, and your basement toys and toys all around the house. And I'll be back probably in the afternoon. We're almost there. Yeah. Got some nice colors today. Yeah.
Hello.
Look at the size of this animal. That's the cutest looking dog ever. Looks like a mini cow. And this is a big dog, huh? A big doggy. It's like a painted face. It's hanging out with me. Corn maze. Going back home now. Just had a nice dinner and some drinks. And we'll be seeing Cinnabon. It's raining a little bit today, so picked a good day to keep him inside. You were a good kitty, weren't you? He was on his chair when I walked in here. What a good boy. You probably want to go outside now, don't you, buddy? I'll go outside and see what's going on out there. Okay. I'll open the door for you. You're such a cutie. You're such a cutie. You sure you want to go out there? Okay. It's a little cool out here, buddy. It's a little cool out here. Yes, it is. Ooh, there's a nice trail. I'm thinking about extending it, adding to it rather. Yeah. Alright, buddy, got the heat on, okay? So I gotta close the door. Watch your head. Don't wanna get your head. Watch your head, buddy. Oh, okay, he's out there, I guess. Yeah, we got the heat on, There's money flying out the window. Oh, back so soon, buddy? Whoa. I don't have my shoes on, otherwise I'd go out there with you. Yeah. Well, I'll grab my shoes real quick, okay? You wait for me? Okay. It's a nice day, isn't it, buddy? Isn't it a nice day? Yes, it is. It's a nice day. It's a very nice day. Yes, it is. Hey, no. No. Not that. I'm not mad at you. Yeah, you go to the tree and do that, please. Uh-oh, you gonna go to the bathroom? Oh yeah, he's going. See, he digs first. Oh, maybe he's not. Maybe I'm wrong. You just gonna chill over there? Okay, I'm gonna chill over here. Oh. It's raining a little bit. It's also pretty cold for a t-shirt. That's okay though. Yep, there we go. There's a scratching post for you. Just shredding that bark right off. I feel like I'm filming a National Geographic animal. What's Cinnabon doing? He's in his natural environment. Yes, he is. Oh, that noise. The photographer's opening a beer. Oh my goodness. Drinking on the job of exotic animal photography. You tired, buddy? Oops, sorry about that. The pinky got in the way. What was that noise? It's starting to rain, buddy. A beautiful day. Overcast. Birds are chirping. Cinnabon's loafing and Lex is chilling on the deck with the Wheezin' Juice. Not too bad. Grand Armory Brewing. What a cool name. The right to bear craft. Haha, that's funny. Where's he going? Oh, he's gonna scratch that tree now. I heard that too, buddy. That was a weird sound. Yeah. All right, buddy, I gotta go inside, okay? I gotta go inside. I have like 7 or 8 videos I have to upload, and that takes time. Yeah. Make the thumbnails, all the tags, editing. Well, I don't have to edit them anymore. All right, buddy, you be a good boy, okay? I'll be waiting for you inside. What's he doing out there? What's he doing? He's just chilling outside by the woods. He's by the trail exit or entrance, depending on which way you're going. Yeah. Hey, look who's back. Oh, it's okay. What's happening? Yeah. Well, go ahead and get some more food. You wanna go outside again, buddy? Okay, if you insist. Looks like the raining may have stopped. Yeah. Uh-huh. Well, thank you so much for joining us on our adventure today. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Night, buddy.